Okay, these are pages 18 and 19 in the Let's Go 5 workbook, and we're doing the Let's Review part. So we're going to try to remember the first 2 units and just use those patterns here. Okay, let's go for part A, which just says read and match. Are there enough? I didn't know that. I think so. I don't think so. Yes, I'm sure. Are you sure? There are 3 bags. So are there enough? I don't think so. Are you sure? I didn't know that. Yes, I'm sure. Are you sure? There are 3 bags. So yes, I'm sure. A cat is as fast as a polar bear. I didn't know that. Are you sure? There are 3 bags. I didn't know that. We don't have enough. Are you sure? There are 3 bags. Part A is done. On to part B. Okay, part B says write the questions and answers. And we're going to be mixing some parts from the first part of Unit 1. So first we got this cheese. Remember, I can't count cheese. The answer is there's a lot of cheese. So we want to do a how many cheese is there or how much cheese is there. We're going to go with how much because I can't count cheese. How much cheese is there? How much cheese is there? There's a lot of cheese. Next one. There are a few sandwiches. So should we say how many sandwiches are there or how much sandwiches are there? Well, we should say how many because I can count them. How many sandwiches are there? How many sandwiches are there? Okay, number 3. How many cupcakes are there? Well, I can count them, so we'll say there. And we'll say are because I can count. There are a lot of cupcakes. Whoa, that's some bad spelling there. Cupcakes. Cupcakes. That's better. All right, number 4. How much lemonade is there? The pitcher is almost empty, and I can't count lemonade. So I'm going to say there is a little lemonade. There's a little lemonade. Okay, part B is all done. And this is part C, and it just says check the correct answer. So we read the question and pick the right one. Which one is slower, the turtle or the gazelle? The turtle is slower. The gazelle is slower. The turtle. Which one is the largest, the elephant, the squirrel, or the wolf? The elephant is the largest. The squirrel is the largest. The wolf is the largest. The elephant is definitely the largest. Part C is all done. Okay, this is part D, and it says read and match. So we have a short story here, and it's based off the blog story that was in the student book, and every 2 units we get one of these kind of blogs travel stories. So this title of this one is Ni Hao from Panda Kindergarten, China. So we're going to read this, we're going to match it to the pictures, and then down below there are some true or false questions. Let's go. Number 1, this week we're volunteering at a panda kindergarten. Every morning we clean the pandas' rooms and then we feed them. They eat a lot of bamboo every day. Pandas also like carrots and apples. We didn't know that. All right, so eating. This is mostly about eating. So the eating picture is here. There's a panda eating bamboo. Number 2, newborn pandas are very small. They are about as light as a stick of butter, but they grow quickly. Okay, so this paragraph is about newborn pandas, baby pandas, which would be these guys. Number 3, we like watching the pandas. They really like to play. Baby pandas like to tumble, climb, and chase. They are very funny, and this picture shows them playing, so that matches to this. All right, This part is done. Let's go do some true false. Okay, here's part E. It says true or false. I'm going to check the answer. Remember that true means yes and false means no. Okay, number 1. Pandas eat a lot of bamboo. I'm going to find it in here, even if I know. Ah, they eat a lot of bamboo, so that is true. Number 2. Pandas like carrots. I think it's true, but let's prove it. Carrots. Oh, right here. Pandas also like carrots and apples, so that is also true. Number 3. Newborn pandas are large. Okay, let's find newborns. That was this paragraph. Newborn pandas are very small, not large. So this is false. Number 4, newborn pandas grow slowly. Okay, back to newborns. Newborn pandas are small, they are about as light as a stick of butter. They grow quickly, not slowly. So that's false. And number 5, baby pandas like to climb. Let's read the baby panda paragraph, which was here. We like watching the pandas. They really like to play. Baby pandas like to climb. Baby pandas like to climb. So that is true. Okay, and we're done. Great job, everybody.